Hi, and welcome back.
Over the last 3 activities, we've made all the elements we need to make our movies. We have our mini-me river champions, our settings, and our hero and villain.
In this activity, we're going to make a storyboard and plan our movies.
Ready?
Let's go. A movie storyboard is a bit like a comic strip, and it's a good way to visualise your story before filming it. Our movie is going to follow a really simple story arch. We're going to start at the beginning and set up the story. Then there'll be rising action, leading to a confrontation, which is where our hero and villain will meet. Finally, there'll be falling action, leading to an end and resolution. I'm using the storyboard sheet to help me structure my story. I'm going to draw and write in each box so I know exactly what I want to film. When you do yours, think about how to set the scene and where the conflict is. Our movie ends on Josh's mini-me resolving to act for Eden. Next, we're going to plan and script an interview between your mini-me river champion and either the hero or the villain. Take a look at the interview question sheet. There's some tips there to help you too. See if you can think of 4 questions and answers that you might use in your interview. We've given you the first one already.
It looks like someone's been doing their homework. Single-use plastics are one of the biggest threats facing our rivers, and it doesn't stop there. Plastic bags like poly break down over time into tiny macroplastics and wash all the way out to sea, where they cause no end of trouble. Remember, you can always take a look at the website to help you find the information you need to write your story and interview.